Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your X profile URL to Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you haven't got your X profile URL, I'll quickly show you how to do that. So I'm just going to log into X, and now I'm on the home page here. So once you're in the home page of X, we want to click onto our profile, top left hand corner of the page, and then click into our profile again. Now from here, we need to click onto the top right hand corner of the page where the three dots are and go ahead and click on share. Once you click share, copy that profile URL. Now it says copied to clipboard. Now we need to head over to Roblox. So go ahead and open up Roblox. Once you're inside Roblox, we need to click onto where it says more, bottom right hand corner of the page, and then scroll down and click into settings. And then in settings, click into account info. Once you're inside account info, again, navigate lower, and then we'll see social networks. So we can add in our Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, etc. So go ahead and paste that profile URL here, and then go ahead and click onto save.